PyGame is game developer programming language set of Python modules writing a video games and include computer graphics sound libraries. How to install PyGame setup in VS Code. Step by step explain. PyGame related new folder create on desktop. Mouse right click, new option select, sub panel lo first one folder click, delete key press, folder name enter, PyGame app enter key press, Windows search box lo code editor VS Code enter, first one Visual Studio Code select, Visual Studio Code complete user interface dark mode display, welcome page close, desktop newly created folder insert in Explorer window, left side Explorer select, desktop folder select and drag and drop in Explorer window. First button, yes, I trust the authors. Blue color button click, VS Code IDE maximize, Explorer window lo newly created folder PyGame -app display, right side first icon, new file click, enter the file name charitech.extension py, enter key press, newly created file display in workspace charitech.py, terminal menu click, first option new terminal click, newly created folder default path display, local disk C, users PC, desktop PyGame -app, terminal window expand, Python and pip, installation verify, checking process, enter the command python space version, enter key press, installed Python latest version 3.13.3 display, second pip space version, enter key press, installed pip latest version 25.0.1 and default path display, complete information, right side PowerShell terminal default display, down arrow click, second option command prompt select, virtual environment create, enter the first command python space -m space vnv space virtual environment folder name enter, my underscore app, enter key press, right side bottom section lo source python, blue color button yes click, created virtual environment name, left side Explorer window lo display my underscore app, left side expand icon click, third one scripts, left side expand icon re click, activate, enter the second text command dot / created virtual environment name as the same, enter here my underscore app / capital S scripts / activate, enter key press, created virtual environment name command line before display my underscore app, third text command pip install PyGame pip space install space PyGame, enter key press, collecting PyGame, downloading PyGame modules, downloading PyGame latest version 2.6.1, installing collected PyGame packages, successfully installed PyGame latest version 2.6.1 display, enter the PyGame script code import space PyGame dot examples dot different app related script files, first one aliens select space as space aliens, enter key press. Aliens dot main, open bracket, close bracket, file menu click, save option select, run this script, enter the command. Created file name python space charitech.py, enter key press.